Welcome back everyone. Today I'm really excited to introduce you to one of the most futuristic and luxurious electric MPVs in the world, the stunning Zeekr 009 with the Yofer body kit upgrade. This vehicle is not only bold and stylish, but it also represents a new level of electric performance, comfort, and design. So sit back, relax, and let's dive deep into what makes this extraordinary MPV such a standout star in the modern EV world. First, let's talk about the exterior, because the Zeekr 009 is one of those vehicles that demands attention the moment it enters the room. With the Yofer design package added, this MPV goes from premium to absolutely commanding. The front fascia is instantly recognizable with its massive vertical grille structure, full LED lighting setup, and sharp futuristic headlights that give the car a powerful presence. The body lines are crisp, smooth, and extremely well sculpted, making the car look athletic despite its large size. It rides on elegant aerodynamic wheels that not only look beautiful but also help reduce drag for better efficiency. From the side, the 009 gives a very clean and solid impression with its long, luxurious body shape and flush door handles. But the Yofer styling takes it even further: enhanced bumpers, a sporty roof spoiler, custom detailing, and a slightly more aggressive stance bring in that VIP luxury vibe that many people love. Moving to the rear, the Yofer kit completely transforms the personality of the car. The full-width LED taillight bar with the Zeekr branding looks incredibly modern and premium, and the extended spoiler gives it a sporty touch. The rear diffuser and sharp edges add a performance-oriented feel even though this is primarily a luxury MPV. Everything at the back is designed to stand out, from the unique lighting signature to the bold proportions. This is a car that easily competes with the world's most premium people movers like the Lexus LM and Toyota Alphard, but with a much more futuristic identity. Now let's step inside, because the interior is truly the heart of what makes the Zeekr 009 special. The cabin is built like a first-class lounge, offering one of the most high-end experiences in the MPV category. The moment you enter, you're greeted with soft ambient lighting, premium leather upholstery, and an extremely spacious layout. The second-row captain seats are like luxury airplane seats, fully electric, reclining, ventilated, and even equipped with massage functions. Each passenger gets their own armrest controls, climate settings, and entertainment options. The materials feel extremely high-end, from the soft touch panels to the polished trim and modern stitching. The large panoramic roof adds a sense of openness that makes the whole cabin feel bright and airy. In the front, the driver gets a minimalist yet technologically advanced cockpit with a large central infotainment screen, a digital driver display, and sleek touch-sensitive controls. Everything is designed to be intuitive and futuristic. The sound insulation is excellent, making the cabin quiet even at high speeds. Whether you're sitting in the front or the back, the comfort level is equal to that of a luxury lounge on wheels. This is a car made for long journeys, family trips, business travel, and VIP transport, delivering an exceptional experience in every seat. Now let's talk about performance, because the Zeekr 009 is not just about luxury, it's also incredibly powerful. This electric MPV comes with a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that produces around 536 horsepower, which is massive for a family vehicle of this size. That allows it to go from 0 to 100 km per hour in around 4.5 seconds, which is unbelievably fast for a big MPV. The acceleration is smooth, silent, and instant, thanks to the electric motors. It feels stable, balanced, and confident on the road. The riding comfort is excellent because of the advanced suspension system and high-quality chassis engineering. And because it's electric, the driving experience is buttery smooth with no vibrations and no engine noise. The battery pack offers impressive range, giving you long-distance capability with fast charging support so you can quickly recharge during trips. Whether you're driving in the city or on the highway, the Zeekr 009 feels refined, powerful, and extremely stable. Now let's move toward the price. The Zeekr 009 is considered a premium vehicle, and with all the features, technology, and luxury it offers, it sits in the high-end category. In China, its price normally starts around $68,000 to $85,000 United States dollars depending on the variant and options. With the Yofer body kit added, the price can increase based on customization. While it isn't a cheap vehicle, it offers a level of luxury and performance that rivals some of the most expensive MPVs in the world. Compared to the features, space, electric technology, and performance, the value it offers is extremely strong. Overall, the Zeekr 009 with Yofer styling is a masterpiece in the modern electric luxury segment. It combines a bold exterior, a first-class interior, strong EV performance, and a premium presence that instantly attracts attention. This is not just a car, it is a statement of style, comfort, and futuristic engineering. If you're looking for a next-level luxury MPV with electric power, premium design, and full VIP comfort, the Zeekr 009 definitely deserves your attention.